1.
Hey guys, so we're going to show you how to insert the wireless module into your new telephones. The wireless module is used for a Bluetooth headset, such as I have a pair of AirPods here that we're going to pair to it. You'll get a box in the mail, so every box contains 2 items in it. The first item is the actual wireless card itself, and then there's a little bag with a little screw in it. The screw is critical, don't just toss that to the side. First thing you're going to do is unplug your telephone and verify the phone is powered off. Sometimes it's easier to lay the phone flat on the table. And then what you're going to need is a small screwdriver of some kind, a small flathead. You're going to insert the small flathead screwdriver into the notch up top. You're going to kind of relieve pressure and push out. And then the flap will just come out. There's a piece of plastic inside here that's meant to go in between the wireless module and the outside plastic. So just take out your wireless module. There's only one way, it only fits one way into the phone. All these components would be facing up towards you. And you're simply going to insert the module into the telephone. Come on, that boy. There we go. Alright, so once the wireless module is inserted into the telephone, you're going to take your screw out. It's a Phillips head screw. You need a smaller Phillips head screwdriver with a fine point on it, and then simply just screw it fast to the phone. Then the cover just slides back on again. And then you can plug your phone back in and power it on. We're going to send another video on how to go ahead and configure your Bluetooth headset to the phone.